So. Yeah, yes. Up. Hallå. Oj. So I hope this is like the last time I go to the cliffs in Vättern. I don't know why I hope that, but I've tied some new flies. I have a new very slick intermediate line. It looks beautiful today. I think I can catch a salmon today. And it actually happened last time I was here. Yes, fisk! Salmon are very sensitive. I'm gonna be quite quick about it. So yes, basically mission complete, but that fish was 50-55, so I knew I had to release him and not take him home. I'm gonna try to catch one that's over 60 centimeters. So now I probably won't catch any. Anyhow, tomorrow it's gonna be really cool. I'm gonna take my stand-up paddleboard and try to fish very early in the morning when the salmon may be eating in the surface, and it's gonna be flat out calm. It's gonna be really cool. I didn't see any fish jumping, rising or anything today, but yeah, sometimes nothing happened. That's just fishing. I'm quitting fishing now because I need to go try to find some type of camping area. This would work actually, having a tarp over me here. I mean, then all I need is a sleeping pad and a tarp right there. Okay, now I do have a very nice sleep setup. Yeah. But now comes the real challenge. Now I'm gonna try to put this tarp. It's actually really fun to try to be creative with the little tarp as a shelter. It is really nice to lie here in the sleeping bag and look for fish that may be hunting or jumping, but I am not really fishing right now. So since I haven't seen any salmon, I'm gonna jump in my dry suit and pump up my paddleboard and be ready if I do see fish hunt or jump further out than I can cast with a fly rod. Exciting! It's so cool right now. Anytime there could be a salmon breaking the surface. Spännande. Ska det funka eller inte? Will it work or not? Will I break a rod? It's quite light actually. Oops, paddle fell in. No big deal. Okay, what's the odds of me falling in right now? To jump on the middle. Okay, you ready for a big fail? Big fail coming in 3, 2, 1. So! Haha! The balance is with me. It's good to have everything on a leash actually. Paddle here. It's on a leash. It's a super important thing to have. Ooh, what a nice day. I mean, I could fish anywhere. I can start here. But let's say the wind is gonna blow a bit, so I can paddle away a bit. Potentially there is a salmon right here, because there is stickleback acting very worried on the surface. I haven't seen any swirls or jumping. Kolla, 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 kolla. Now they are very scared sticklebacks there. That may very well be salmon that is hunting them. Ooh. Now they're up in the surface. I can throw my fly right in there. Yep. Right in the center of that chaos. Letting it sink. Looking at the line now. Okay, I go. I'm gonna attempt to park my paddleboard now without destroying the rod and anything else, preferably. And to take it off can be quite difficult. Of course it went really easy this time, but sometimes stretching your arms like that can be difficult. Lunchtime. Fan vad gött. Så jävla gött. Det är vår. No salmon, but I mean. Ta-da! Aj, varmt. Okej, but it's good, I promise. Det var en fisk just när jag skulle börja äta. Jag ska filma där. Så, kör vi. But there was a fish though. That's good. Something's happening. And he was definitely within cast distance. So that would have been cool. Nice. So now I've packed up pretty much everything I was sleeping on here. I could sit out in the rain, but yeah, why? I have some rain shelter, so why not use it? Pretty nice too. I can see everything, so if there's salmon jumping or chasing stickleback in the surface, I can fish at them. My rod is right there, you can clearly see it, so technically I'm fishing right now. All I want now is some sunshine. Boom! One, two, three. Det var nära. Det var riktigt nära. Yeah, yes, start recording. Yes. Haha. Be smooth here. Well, I know from the last fight it's good to use the reel because it was a long fight actually. Strong fish these are. So a lot of things can go wrong if you don't have your line on the reel, so just keeping an even pressure and spooling up the line can be very worth. And now I have an issue here. You don't want this. Okay, got it. It's going down. Okay, we don't have to worry about the reel. Haha. I hope I can keep this fish. Oh, I can definitely keep this fish. Oh, that's a big fish. Release the net now. 4. Oh. Running. Awesome. Haha. Okay, the net is loose. Big fish, dude. Oh, down he goes again. Okay. Could make this net longer, but I think it's gonna be okay. Okay, I'll make it longer. No. Wait, I'm not gonna make it longer. Up. It's almost over here, this fight. The net is not attached. Upp här. Så ja. Åh nej. Okay. Oop, no. Going away. Oof. There we go. Nej, bonked him in the head. Net. Nej. A little bit difficult is this. And I'm tired. Imagine a big salmon. What the hell? I mean really big, like 10-15 kilos, that would be crazy. Nej. Satan vad svårt det här var. So it's really difficult. The reel wasn't maxed. Damn it. It's important. Nu ska jag pusha upp den. Nej. Här då. Oj! Oh. Fuck, the net had folded. Okay. Woo. Should be 60 though. Oh yes. Woo. That's just awesome. Just check from there to there. Yeah, it should be about 65. Nice. This is a keeper. And I have a priest built into the paddle here, kind of. Yeah. There we go. Fucking did it.
Nice work.
Woo! Haha! Ha?
Jag tog bilder på hur du fick upp fisken.
Ja, okej, häftigt! Ja, just det! Wow, that was awesome. Absolutely amazing. Really cool.
Ungefär 70 gånger. Det är ganska dyrt.
Ja, okej, häftigt! Ja, jag har 2 kameror med så jag filmar lite själv. Ja, tyvärr, den vill jag ha själv. Okej, nu är det här äventyret slut. Jag håller på att swisha. Och nu har jag swishat 340 kronor till insamlingen Mera lax i Vättern. Och du kan sätta in vad du vill. Du behöver heller inte sätta in, men om du vill hjälpa till att stödja utsättningen av 20 000 laxar av bra kvalitet i Vättern så kan man göra en sån. Och nu har jag fiskat Vättern typ 10 gånger, haft grymt kul och det har inte kostat mig någonting i fiskekort. Så det tycker jag är fair. Den här fisken vägde 3,4 kilo och jag skänkte då 340 kronor. Okay, I'm not sure why I said that in Swedish. Let's see what the next adventure brings. Maybe paddleboard fishing for pike, maybe dry fly fishing in a little stream. Who knows? The season is starting. So here you are, fishing in Vättern. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. So now I'm gonna pack up. I have a lot of stuff to pack. Bye!